everyone, it's Sammy. It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. It is a very easy drawing. My hobby is drawing and painting.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo.
Wow, it is very easy. Look at the drawing and it will come perfect shape. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo.
I love drawing and painting very much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Green color, yellow color, dark blue color, red color, orange color, I love drawing and painting very much. Orange color, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Our drawing is completed. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.